In this video I will talk about the ligament, and in my previous 3 video which is about the osteology, muscular attachment and site determination, this video is about the ligament of radius. This is part 4. For the ligament, I will draw a diagram of the radius. This is the radius. This is ulna. This is the ulna. Our first ligament which is attached from the radial notch of ulna. It starts from the radial notch of ulna and it encloses the head. And attached with its original site. This is our annular ligament. It attached from the radial notch of ulna, and if we see the superior view, then we will find those type of structure. This is the head, and this is our radial notch of ulna. From the radial notch of ulna, our annular ligament will cover the whole head of the radius. This type of ligament is called annular ligament. This ligament is called annular ligament. Annular ligament is covered the head, enclose the head, and it form the pivot joint. This is the pivot joint, and from this attachment of the ligament, this ligament is called quadrate ligament. This is quadrate ligament, and after the quadrate ligament there is a cord. This cord is called oblique cord. This is oblique cord. This is also a ligament. This is all oblique cord, and after oblique cord there is a membrane. This membrane is called interosseous membrane. What is the means of interosseous? Inter means in between, osseous means bone. Means दो बोन के बीच में जो एक मेम्ब्रेन है, this membrane is called interosseous membrane. This membrane hold two bones together. This membrane is called interosseous membrane. And our capsular ligament, which cover the distal end of the radius, capsular ligament is covered anteriorly and posteriorly. This ligament is called capsular ligament. And this is the ulnar notch. And on the ulnar notch there is a articular disc. Between the two articular surface there is an articular disc. Articular disc is present. articular disc between the ulnar notch of radius and head of the ulna. There is articular disc is present. These are the ligament. First ligament is annular ligament which cover the head. If we see the superiorly, then we will find our head will whole head is enclosed in the annular ligament, and our second ligament is our quadrate ligament, and third ligament is oblique cord, and the fourth is interosseous membrane, and the fifth is capsular ligament which is on the distal end of the radius, and our fifth ligament is articular disc which is on in between the two articular surface of the inferior radioulnar joint. This is the articular disc. These are all about the ligament part 4. Thank you.